it's Thursday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today we are making, I guess you could call it history here on the channel. I wanted to stop in and share with you my very first Hermes unboxing. Okay guys, so if you have been a long-term member here on the channel, then you know that as far as luxury brands go, I am kind of a one-trick pony. I have two brands in particular that I really love. That is Louis Vuitton and Gucci. And those brands have been my tried and true favorites, guys, for years, okay? And honestly, I was just content until, a few weeks ago with just sticking with, Louis Vuitton and Gucci. You know how the saying goes, if it's not broke, don't fix it, okay? But enter into this equation my wonderful, my loving, my caring, my doting husband, Eric. He came to me a few weeks ago and said, babe, why don't you try to venture outside of your comfort zone, venture outside of what you typically do as far as brands, luxury brands go, and, check out something else. All right, so I looked at a few of the other brands and I decided I would let Hermes be the first one that I tried out. And so, yeah, I took the plunge. And so I wanted to share with you what I actually purchased. Let's give this a little opening here. As you guys see, this is the gorgeous, I want to say this is a burnt orange Hermes box, and this is going to be a really quick video. So let's go ahead and take a look at our receipt. This is how the receipt comes, okay? And this particular purchase I ordered online, okay? You know what, before we get to the receipt, because I am going to tell you the price of this item, I will say if you are not interested in knowing the price of this particular item, you probably better go ahead and click off. I know a few videos back, some of you were concerned with the price of a belt that I purchased. So yeah, if you don't want to know the price, you probably better go ahead and click off. But these pieces are just things that Eric wants to do for me. He's just a really sweet guy, and he wants to spoil me, and I don't mind being spoiled, okay? All right, so when you open up the box, you remove this really pretty brown ribbon here. All right, it has the Hermes signature stamped here on the box. I will be keeping this box. All right, so on the inside of the bag, guys, are these two items right here. Guys, I actually purchased the elusive. I use all types of superlatives and adjectives when I describe some of my items, but I want to say this particular item right here, for me, when I say elusive, I mean elusive. So guys, I ordered the Iran sandals, okay? here in the black calf skin leather with the white stitching. Okay. These shoes are just so stinking gorgeous, okay? And as you can see, the Aran sandals, I'll go ahead and pull out the other one here. I will note that you get 2 dust bags with these particular sandals, and I love that. I know with my Tory Burch sandals, they come in a really pretty dust bag, but you only get 1, okay? So here are the sandals, guys, and this is going to be a quick video, okay? I just wanted to pop in and share this with you. So you have the iconic Hermes H here at the top of the sandal, and again, they are in the black with the white stitching. I actually wanted these in gold, which actually looks like a brown. I'm not sure why they call them gold when they're actually brown, but they did not have them in my size. I actually had the hardest time, guys, finding these in a size 42. 42 is a US 11, so that's what I have these in, the 42. And as far as fit goes, I will say they are just about spot on, true to size. You don't get any, I know for me, I don't get any extra room in these particular shoes. It's an 11 and it fits. There's no extra, okay? I have a long, narrow foot, and I will say if your feet are more on the thicker, more girthier side, these may not be the sandal for you, because you do not get a whole lot of area here in the front of the shoe. I'm not sure if they will stretch out. They are leather, so you know, who knows, but I know for me, having a narrow foot was an advantage here, somewhat of a plus, but I just really had a hard time, you know, finding these in a 42. Like I said, I really stalked their website for about 2.5, almost 3 weeks, just clicking, trying to find any color that was going to be in my size. Like I said, I initially wanted the gold, which is the brown on the side, but those were always just the smaller sizes. You ladies with the smaller feet, you guys are so lucky, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about pricing. All right, so this is your little envelope pocket. You get a thank you card and all types of information here as it relates to returns. All right, so again, these are the Aran sandals, and they're in black or noir. And before tax and shipping and all of that, these were $680 US. The sales tax was $54.40. And so that brought the grand total to $734.40 for me for these Aran sandals. Now, on the site, they do have many other colors. They have the sandals in a variety of textures. And so the price of your Arans will depend on the color and if there's any embellishments going on the sandal. Okay, so the more that's going on with your sandal, of course, the more they are going to cost. All right, so let's go ahead and just visit some of the features here of the Arans. Again, this is a really pretty calf skin leather, okay? The entire upper part of the sandal is in a leather. When you turn it over here on the back, you have this really pretty, almost ash gray lining here on the bottom of the sandal. It feels almost like a suede to me, actually, and I'm hoping that's going to provide a little bit of slip and, you see here on the heel of the shoe, they have some other little texture going on there, some other component of the sole. So just a really, you know, as bottom of shoes go, this is a really, really nice bottom of the shoe, very well made. It has the size here in 42 stamped on the bottom, and then also it has the Hermes signature on the bottom of the sole, and it says made in Italy. All right, now as far as softness go, I will say these are not just right out of the box. They're not the cushiest sandal that I've ever owned, but I have actually tried them on, and I will say they are extremely comfortable. However, they are not the softest, okay? I will say also that I love the fact that the color that I chose is more of a, I don't know, just a natural black color. It's not patent, and so I think this is really going to help with wear and tear on the Orons. You know, sometimes when you get the patent sandals, you have to worry about sweat and just moisture and, you know, lotions and oils interacting with the materials of the shoe, and, you know, sometimes that can, you know, provide slip that we're not really wanting when we are actually wearing shoes. But again, just a really, really nice investment here. I absolutely feel that I will have these shoes for many, many, many years to come. Again, you cannot beat this iconic H here on the top. I have seen these, Target is actually selling a knockoff of these. Oh gosh, how much are those? Maybe about 20 bucks in Target. And Sam Edelman has a knockoff of the Orons for around 60 or 70 bucks or so. So if you love the look of the Orons, but you're not really wanting to go ahead and place that much of an investment in these particular shoes, check out Target, check out Nordstrom. Sam Edelman has a pair, and they're really, really pretty too. But I am really looking forward to wearing these. It sucks that, you know, the summer is almost over, so I won't be able to wear them, you know, for as long as I would have liked this year. But like I said, I will have these, I know, for many, many years to come. All right, well, that is it, guys. I told you it was going to be a really quick video. Just wanted to come in and share this with you guys today. Let me know if you own the Orons and how have they been holding up for you. Like I said, they have them in so many, many other colors. If I couldn't have the brown or the gold, the black was my next best option. So just really, really happy that I found these. Again, as far as sizing go, you know, if you have a thicker, wider foot, you may have a little bit of a hard time with the sizing of the Orons and, you know, just the comfort level. But anyway, thanks so much, guys, for stopping in and sharing this with me today. All right, hope you guys are having a great week thus far, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.